The George D. Aiken Center, also known as the Rubenstein School of Environment and Natural Resources headquarters at UVM, is at the forefront of green campus technology.
However, it was not always this way. From 2010 to 2012, the Aiken Center was renovated to be LEED Platinum certified.
Among all of the various technologies at Aiken, including a green roof, as well as high-density insulation and locally sourced woods, the university took initiative in installing 17 off-site solar trackers located at the Aiken Research Center on Spear Street in downtown Burlington. Individually, these trackers generate approximately 6,300 kilowatt-hours annually. Collaboratively, they generate 106,000 kilowatt-hours annually, all of which is used to offset the energy that Aiken consumes.
Although these 17 solar trackers produce a large amount of energy that Aiken consumes, the Rubenstein School recognizes that there is still a long way to go in order to get the building to be completely net zero.
As Greening of the Aiken students, we got the pleasure of meeting, listening to, and talking with the architect of the Aiken renovations, Bill McClay. So Bill, what exactly does it mean to be net zero?
But for us, simply, net zero is a building, community, country, or preferably a planet that simply produces more energy than it consumes on an annual basis. And the energy that it consumes is renewably based power.
This graph represents the energy produced by Aiken. On the left, it shows the total kilowatt hours consumed and the trackers that would be needed. On the right, it shows the kilowatt hours produced by the current trackers and how many current trackers there are.
UVM's initiative to create more sustainable infrastructure extends farther than just the Aiken Center. The university has committed to offsetting the energy that Rubenstein Building's Johnson House, as well as Bittersweet, consume. Collectively, the Aiken Center, Johnson House, and Bittersweet consume 717,000 kilowatt-hours annually. This graph shows the total energy that these three buildings consume. As shown on the left, Aiken uses energy for electricity in blue, heating in red, and cooling in green. On the right, you can see Bittersweet and Johnson only show electricity and natural gas. This is because these two buildings do not have cooling systems. It may appear as though Aiken uses far more energy than Johnson and Bittersweet. However, Aiken is actually far more efficient relative to its large size. There is great hope for this project to initiate within the next few years, as the Dean of Students and the Provost are in accordance with making these three buildings completely net zero.